want to achieve this flawless and smooth makeup look without any dry patches or makeup separating, then watch this video till the end to know how you can achieve this in just a few easy steps. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel once again. And if you're new to my channel, then welcome to my channel. My name is Hala and I make educational beauty videos. By now you know that, obviously, but if you don't know, then please join the gang, subscribe the YouTube channel, and also follow my social media pages, which are linked below. Instagram and TikTok, you can go ahead and follow me there as well. You can keep in touch with me like every day. Now about this video, so this video is about when your makeup starts to look patchy or separating. Sometimes right when you're applying your makeup, you can see that small patches are forming on your face, like a patch appears here, a patch appears here. The makeup gets stuck in that patch of your skin and you don't know what to do. And then sometimes it happens that after you apply makeup, your makeup starts to separate from your face, which is obviously not good. So I will tell you today that how you can fix these problems. These problems, obviously, they happen with everybody. They happened with me. They have happened with me, obviously, and I have dealt with them. So I thought that I will come up here and I will tell you guys that how can you also deal with these problems very easily in a few steps, like very easy things to do. No, not buying extreme products or new products, just in simple easy steps. How can you deal with these problems? Firstly, let's address the most important thing in the room, which is your skin. Yes, I've said it a lot of times. I'm saying it again, that if you don't take care of your skin, there is no way that your makeup is going to look good. No way. So obviously you need to take care of your skin first. Like, you need to prep your skin before makeup. The better the skin prep, the better the makeup is going to turn out. First step that you're going to do in that is exfoliate your skin. Regardless if you have oily, dry, or combination skin, all you have to do is exfoliate. Firstly, make it your routine to exfoliate your face twice every week. Yes, pick 2 days and exfoliate your face twice every week. Try to leave like even gaps between both days. Don't do it like one day on Friday and the next on Sunday. Try to leave even gaps between those days. If you're getting ready for a function, a party, a wedding guest, something like that, do exfoliate your face again. Now don't worry about the exfoliants. You can take chemical exfoliants, you can take physical you can use homemade masks, you can use store-bought masks for exfoliation. It does not matter. I have a few videos about exfoliants that I made at home. You can just check out any exfoliating videos. I have some. You can check out other channels, exfoliating masks. Anything will work. The next step is hydrating. Hydration is very important because you're exfoliating, you're washing your face. Remember, whenever you wash your face, whenever water is put on your face, it takes away water from your face as well. That sounds really weird, but honestly, it's the truth. When you wash your face, after that it needs hydration. You can start with serums. You can do hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is used for hydration. It is for plumping, hydrating your face. But remember, when you apply hyaluronic acid, don't apply it on a very dry face. Like after washing the face, don't towel dry everything out. Like a little pat the towel a bit, but there should be a little moisture left on your face, and then apply hyaluronic acid, because hyaluronic acid works best when you have a little kind of like damp kind of skin. If you apply hyaluronic acid on a very dry face, it is going to give you the reverse effects. Like it is not going to hydrate. Definitely it's not going to work. After that, if you want to apply eye creams on your eyes to give your eyes hydration, you can do that. If you want to apply any other serum, you can go for that. But before applying makeup, don't go for too many products. The skincare before makeup is different than the skincare in general. So what you need to do is, if you want to apply a serum, go ahead with hyaluronic acid, and that's it. Eye cream, if you want to, go ahead with that, like just a light layer of eye cream, and that's it. And then after that, apply a moisturizer to your face. Just really nicely hydrated. Any moisturizer that suits your skin tone, go for that. Right now I've already moisturized my face. I washed it, I hydrated it, like apply a moisturizer. So now finally we're going to talk about makeup. When applying makeup, dry or oily skin, go for less product. less is more. If you see it on videos on TikTok, on YouTube, it looks good on camera, but actually it's not that good. You need to apply less product. In real life, it does not look good. A lot of makeup will crease up and it does look cakey. So you need to apply less product. You can go for any serum based foundation. You can also go for skin tints. That's also acceptable. Nowadays there are like really good skin tints like the Maybelline one. For me, I love this L'Oreal True Match foundation. So let me just apply it in front of you guys. Also, if you have dark circles, obviously you have to color correct, but remember to keep everything to the minimal, because the less product you apply, the less you're going to crease. You don't want a patchy or a creasy face. If you have oily skin, you don't need to apply that much makeup. If you have dry skin, you don't need to apply that much makeup. Both cases, less is more. So let me show you the way that I do it. So firstly, I will do with color correction. For that, I'm taking Huda Beauty color corrector in the shade Papaya. I'm just going to apply a little dot here, not too much, because this is pretty pigmented, so I'm not going to apply a lot of product. I'm just going to take it on my forehead, just 3 very small dots that you can't even see in the camera, and then a teeny drop here and a teeny drop here. I'm going to take a brush and blend them. Now let's blend it around the mouth. After this, I'm going to take my foundation. Now remember, I am applying very less product, so I am going to take only like about 1 pump of this foundation, not even one pump complete. This is how much product I'm taking, just 1 tiny drop, and I'm going to apply it with my finger, concentrated towards the inside. Always apply your products inside of your face and take them outside with blending. So okay, apply one more dot. Obviously if you need more, we can go ahead and add more. Now I'm going to take my brush, this is the foundation brush, and I'm just going to start patting it everywhere. Okay, starting from the inner corner. I'm not applying it under my eyes, remember, I don't take foundation under my eyes. Taking it to the outer side. Honestly, I don't feel that I have a lot of product on my face at the moment. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a concealer. If any places you think that there are like spots that are missing, that have not been covered with the foundation, like for example on the sides of my mouth, it needs a little more coverage, so I will apply concealer to that. I feel that acne marks are a bit not covered, so I'm going to apply a little concealer to that as well. So for concealer, I'm taking this e.l.f. Camo Hydrating Concealer, which is in the shade Tan Neutral. So I'm just going to apply it wherever I have applied my concealer, which is this side. Remember, not loads of product. Still, you're not applying a lot of product. I'm going to take a concealer brush and I will blend this. I will leave the eyes for the last. I will do the rest of the face first. So, see, this has concealed to my liking now. Concealed? Concealed. Now let's go for the eyes. So this is it. I have concealed my under eyes, everything, with the minimal product that I needed. Like I have not applied loads of product, but I still need to highlight my face because the whole face is the same color. So I will highlight. Now before highlighting, I'm going to go ahead and apply a blush to my face. For that, I'm taking Rarebeauty blush in the shade Lucky. This is my favorite blush. Honestly, I should have gotten a small bottle because this goes a long way. This is so pigmented. So I just apply 2 dots over here and here, and now I'm going to blend it. That's done. Now let's go ahead with the highlighting bit. So I'm going to take the concealer from ELF again. This is again the Camo Hydrating Concealer in the shade Medium Warm. So I'm just going to apply 1 dot, and I'm not going to apply it directly under my eyes. I'm just going to apply it here, 1 dot, and a teeny dot here on the cheekbone. Like, can you see? The other one as well. It's directly under my eyes, but it's not under the eyes. Okay, a little on the nose, a little on the forehead, and that's it. I'm going to take a foundation brush for this. Start applying it. Set my face, I'm going to take this Huda Beauty setting powder, loose powder, which is in the shade Banana Bread. Look up and just set your eyes. Remember, you are not going to bake it. Even if you have oily skin, don't think about baking or putting too much powder on your face, because it's not that powders don't control oil. Honestly speaking, they don't. I like to take it over the areas where I think I crease. So I crease on my laugh lines a bit. Try to apply a little powder over there. Also take the same thingy over your nose, like the powder puff. I'm not applying any new product, by the way. On your forehead as well, because it still has powder. And now I'm going to go ahead with applying the powder products. Okay. Any blush will do. Now take a bronzer, just a little. I want this video not to be too long, so let me finish this face, like the final things off camera, and I will be right back. Okay, so I am back after finishing my whole look. I did not apply much. I would just applied my highlighter, my mascara, my eyeliner, and my lipstick. This was it. Nothing extreme. Also, I would like to recommend this mascara, which is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Firework Mascara. Firework mascara. This is absolutely beautiful. Like, my lashes are non-existent, and can you see just one coat of this mascara puts my lashes back on my face. So yes, do try it out. If you have long lashes, this is going to like do magic. Like, it is going to look like falsies. This is such a good mascara, and it does not clump up as well. So yeah, do try it as well. Coming back to the video. So now the last step that I'm going to do, which is going to really seal my makeup. Now I'm going to apply this, which is the L'Oreal Infallible 3-second setting mist. This is so good. When you apply this, your makeup gets transfer proof, so it is going to stay on your face. So this is what I actually apply on my clients as well. It's like 3-second setting mist. It is already dried up. It sticks everything together. Nothing is going to transfer or anything. So you can see that how, with very minimal products, how flawless makeup base I have achieved. Now you can do your eyes a bit brighter if you're going for a function. You can do very bold lips, red lips, or anything. You can play with it, but the basic thing is your base and your concealers. So they are the things that I've not applied loads. Like, I've kept everything to the minimal, and still you can see that how flawless and gorgeous does the whole makeup look like. And now coming towards the last tip, which is drink loads of water. hydration from within. You need to drink loads of water because water is what's going to hydrate your skin. Apply as many serums as you want, apply as many creams as you want, but if you are not hydrating your body from within, it is not going to reflect on your face. You will see that how nicely your skin will start to glow. For me, if I don't drink much water, my lips get chapped instantly, my eyes, they start to wrinkle up a lot, and I start to see breakouts. So yes, this is like my sign that I need to drink more water. These were all the tips that I had. If you have patchy or separating makeup, just try all of these, apply the makeup like I did, and you are definitely going to see a change in your makeup routine. If you have any other questions about this topic or whatever things I've explained, if you have any other questions about those, then do let me know in the comment box below and I will definitely reply you guys. I will be happy to reply, in fact. So yes, with this, I will just end this video, guys. I hope that it helped and I hope you liked it. If you did, then please do give me a big thumbs up. Please do comment below and please do subscribe to my channel. All of these help me a lot. And yes, I will see you in the next video very, very soon. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay happy, and stay connected. Bye-bye. Love you.